Here's how to change the font on Android phone. Android phones can be your personal, whether you utilize the manufacturer's default skin, like the Pixel launcher, or experiment with third-party launchers. Even entry-level Android phones let you customize most of your phone's details. This expands to changing your interface's fonts. Every Android maker has its hold on font customization. Relying on your device and its Android version, some devices restrict you to adjusting only the size and weight of the font. Gad Insider has a step-by-step guide for changing the font on your Android phone. First, go to your phone settings. Now select Display, tap Font Size and Style. To change the font, tap Font Style. You can choose from any pre-installed font or download a new one. Tap the toggle to make your text bold or move the slider to change its size. Here's how to download new fonts. Navigate to Font Style and tap the Download Fonts button. Log in with your Samsung account to access the Samsung Galaxy Store. Browse the font styles available in the store. Now tap the download icon next to the font style you want to install. Here's how to change the font on OnePlus. Go to your phone settings. Now select Wallpaper and Style. Now tap on Font, change the font style and size, and tap Apply after making your changes. Here's how to change the font on Pixel. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down and select Display. Scroll down and tap Display Size and Text. Now change the font and display size, bold the text, or use high contrast text. How to change the font on Xiaomi. Use the Themes app. Launch the Themes app from your home screen and tap on the font section. Browse and select a font that aligns with your style. Now select your preferred font and tap Apply through the Settings menu. First, open Settings and navigate to Display. Tap Font to access the font section within the Themes app. Now explore the options, and after selecting your preferred font, tap Apply. After selecting your new font, you may need to restart your device to see the changes reflected across all user interfaces.